Hello everyone, it's me Ayesha Ahmed, and I'll share with you my new mobile, this one. When you know how to open it or not, and I'll show you. It will open right here like this, and this is my new mobile here. Look friends, this is my new mobile like this one. This, and when you push it back and the mobile comes out, and this is my new mobile, and this is color black. This model is Samsung Galaxy A20, and I'll show you what is this. You for keychain. This is the charger. This is the mic, and this is my little baby Ayan, and he's very naughty baby. And this is my cover of the mobile, and I have to pick it and open it, and woohoo, this is so cool. And this is the same one like the golden mobile. And what do you know what is this? And you won't have to tell me. When you know, don't have to do it. My mother will teach me. Hello friends, this is my brother Abuzar. Brother, say hello to the friends. Hello everyone, how are you? Okay friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel again and click the bell button, and see you next time. Bye.